पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाक्य बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद तृतीय अध्याय पेज नंबर 675. We have seen the introduction. Now you see question is raised in Tika, first line. Nanu समुदितेषु ब्राह्मणेषु ब्रह्मिष्ठतमं निर्धारयितुं राजा प्रवृत्तस् तत्कथम् अन्यपरेण ग्रन्थेन विद्याग्रहणोपाय विधिना विधानाय आख्यायिका आरभ्यते तत्र आह. So Purva Paksha is saying, you said Danam is the upaya for Brahma Vidya. But here, that is not the topic. Why? Because Janaka, Raja, Samuditeshu Brahmaneshu, the Brahmanas who had gathered there, Brahmishtatamam Nirdharayitum Pravruttaha. His pravrutti is in establishing who is Brahmishthatamaha. Brahmishthatama, what are the pratyayas? First Ishthan pratyaya, then Tama pratyaya. Tama pratyaya, what is the sutra? No, here you are not going to use that sutra. Atishayane Tamabhishthanau, that sutra. So Brahmishthatama, actually if Ishthan pratyaya is there, Tama pratyaya is not needed. One of they do the same function. It is like saying Shresthatama. Shresthatama is among all Brahmishthas superior most. So that is the pravrutti. Katham anya parena granthena vidya grahana upaya vidhanaya akhyayika. Why do you say this akhyayika is for some other prayojanam like vidya prapti upaya etc. Tasmat in bhashya. Anya parena api shastrena. Even though shastra is anyapara. Anyapara means, what is that anya vishaya? हाँ, समुदितेषु ब्राह्मणेषु ब्रह्मिष्ठतमं निर्धारणम. This is the प्रयोजनम. Still, अन्य परेणापि शास्त्रेण विद्या प्राप्ति उपाय दान प्रदर्शनार्थ. That vidya prapti upaya is danam. Charity is the means to gain knowledge. Pradarsanartha akhyayika arabdha. So you can still have this also as the prayojanam. Upalambho tika. Upalambho yathoktas tat shabdartha. Tat shabda means tasmat. Itascha आख्यायिका विद्या प्राप्ति उपाय प्रदर्शन परा इत्याह. Not only that, आख्यायिका is also for vidya prapti upaya pradarshana para. For that there is another reason. Apicha tad vidya sanyogastaishcha sah vadakaranam vidya prapti upayo न्याय विद्यायाम दृष्टः. तद विद्य संयोगस्तैश्च सह वादकरणम. तद विद्य संयोगः in टीका is given. तस्मिन् वेद्ये अर्थे विद्या येषां ते तद्विद्या. Vedya Artha means if Brahma is what I want to know, in that Vedya Artha, Vidya Yesham, those people who already have knowledge of that Vedya, means those who are Brahma Jnani, Taihi Saha, with them. So they are called Tadvidyaha. Tadvidyaha, Tasmin Vidya Yesham, Te Tadvidyaha. Taihi Saha. Along with them, those who want to do discussion, sambandha, any kind of sambandha, like Vadakaranam, some debate or question answer, is considered as Vidya Prapti Upaya in Nyaya Vidya. Tika, Taihi Eva. So Taihi Saha Sambandhasya, Taihi Eva Prashna Prativachana Dwara Vadakaranam Cha Vidya Praptau Upaya iti atra gamakama Nyaya Vidyaya. So with such people, when you engage in discussion, means you ask a question and then they will answer you. So then in the form of a dialogue, knowledge will take place. But in Nyaya Vidya, it is not just general dialogue. There you do Shastrartha or you try to defeat them. So that you want to win over them. So that also is considered as one of the means to gain knowledge. But this Vada Katha has some niyama, and then Nigraha Sthana, this, that, so many things will be there. So here you will see some of that also in this chapter. But when it comes to Tattva Nirnaya, it is different. Tika. Tattva Nirnaya Phalam hi Vitaraga Katham Icchanti. But when you have to do Tattva Nirnaya, then Vitaraga Katham Icchanti. Means those who are free from this raga. What is that? Third number tippani. Vito rago jayadi vishayo yesham tesham katham vadakhyam tattva nirnaya phalam. Means I am not interested in winning or I am not interested in defeating you. I am interested in establishing what is the truth. This is called tattva nirnaya phalam. So Nyaya Vidya is slightly different because their Jaya Parajaya is more important, but you learn. Or there is a gathering, you sit there, you will learn because wise people are talking, you are there, you will gather something. Tika further, Tadvidya Sanyogader Vidya Prapti Upayatve api Katham Prakrite Tad Pradarshana Paratvam Ataha. Tadvidya Sanyogadehe Vidya Prapti Upayatve api. So Tadvidya Sanyoga means coming in contact with wise people is a means of gathering knowledge. Vidya Prapti Upayatve api. Katham Prakrite Tad Pradarshana Paratvam. Why here that is the Pradarshana means how that is shown here. Ataha Tacha Asmin Adhyaye Prabalyena Pradarshate. Here it will be shown that coming in contact with wise person means Yagnevalkya ji is the wise person, realized. So many other people are there, they will ask some questions. Sometimes they will ask the question knowing the answer. Sometimes they will ask the question not knowing the answer. So when they don't know, it will be clarified. Sometimes the knowledge will be given in front of everybody. Sometimes the knowledge will be given only to that person who is asking, who is serious seeker of truth in solitude. Even though the assembly is there, the Rishi will take him in the other room, discuss and come out. Because others need not listen, they are not eligible. So like that you will see. And nobody will dare say to Yajnavalkya, why you are just teaching him? Why not us? Whatever he's doing is right. This is important. Prabalyena pradarshate. Tadvidya sanyogadi iti yavat. So tadvidya sanyoga. Tatcha means tadvidya sanyoga is prabalyena pradarshate. न केवलम तर्कशास्त्र वशाद एव तद्विद्य संयोगे प्रज्ञा वृद्धि ही किंतु स्वानुभव वशाद अपि इत्याह. Not only from tarkashastra and this kind of debate or discussion that I will gain more knowledge, more wisdom. Like many times you will see somebody has a question, but others want to know what is the question, and others also want to know what is the answer, because they may not have question. Sometimes every question every person may not have, but I want to know what is the answer, like that. So that is one way. Tarkashastra vashadeva tadvidya sanyoge prajna vruddhi. But not only that, kintu swanubhava vashadapi. Our own experience also. And what is that swanubhava? See in Bhashya, pratyakshacha vidvat sanyoge prajna vruddhi. When you are in the midst of people with jnanam, then you will get. How? Because you will ask something. When we are with people who have more knowledge than us, then we will learn. When we are with people who have less knowledge with us, then we should teach. They will learn. They should learn. But it should not become that I know more, they don't know. Not like that. So this is one thing. And at the same time, the student should know how to learn. There is enough to learn. It is not always that when something is taught, these 2 plus 2 is 4. Only that I understand. So many things. And that is what, like in Bhagavatam, and you will see 24 gurus means no guru actually came and taught. But this person knew how to learn from everything. And when we are like this, we can learn from anywhere in the company of wise people, even much more. So that is pratyakshacha vidvat sanyoge prajna vruddhi. In this one, drashtanta is given, nalopa pratipadikantasya. Nalopa pratipadikantasya. This is a sutra. How many padas are there in that? How many? 3. Nalopaha pratipadikantasya. So there are 4 padas. Even though nalopaha is put together, pratipadikantasya is put together, but na is lupta vibhaktikam, pratipadika is also lupta vibhaktikam. So there are 4 padas. So like that, this is one example. Other beautiful example for many people who can understand and apply is how to do nididhyasana. How to keep my mind in Brahman. So these pointers, only that person will be able to give who keeps his mind in Brahman, who has developed that way of thinking. In textbooks and all, many of these things you will not find. So for Prajna Vriddhi, in different Shastra, Vyakarana Shastra, they have their thing, Nyaya Shastra, its own, Vedanta has its own. And Mimamsa Shastra in particular, those who do rituals and all, you no matter how many shlokas you have recited and how much you have read how to do your ritual, you have to actually sit with someone who does ritual, and they will put here these, then only you realize, oh, this is how we have to do. So they Unless you are in the company of person, you will never learn. How to do Achamanam in minimum amount of time, that also you will see from this Pandit. And with minimum ghee, how can you do entire Rudravishek? That also you will learn from them. The speed at which they chant entire Rudram, the dhara will be there and it will be done. Tasmat Vidya Prapti Upaya Pradarsanartha eva Akhyayika. Therefore, this Akhyayika, the introductory story part, is for Vidya Prapti Upaya Pradarshana. Akhyayika Tatparyam Upasamhrati. This is the Akhyayika Tatparyam. Now the mantra. ओम जनको हवै देहो बहुदक्षिणेन यज्ञेन ईजे तत्रः कुरु पंचालानां ब्राह्मण अभिसमेता बभूवुस्तस्यः जनकस्य वैदेहस्य विजिज्ञासा बभूव कः स्विदेषां ब्राह्मणानाम् अनुचानतम इति सः गवां सहस्रम् अवरुरोध दश दश पादा एकैकस्याः शृंगयोराबद्धा बभूवुः. Om. Om means remembering Ishvara, Paramatma. Janoko ha Vaideho, because Om is Tasya Vachaka. In Katha, what is the mantra? Etad Alambanam Sreshtham, Etad Alambanam Param, Etad Alambanam Gyatva, Brahmaloke Mahiyate. So Janaka Vaideha, Videha Raja, Bahudakshina Yajnena Ije, offering lot of Dakshina. Bahudakshina can be name of a yaga also, or Bahudakshina means giving lot of Dakshina, some yajna he did. Yajnena Ije. Ije, Ije, what is the dhatu? Yaj dhatu. Then what happened? Samprasaranam. What is the sutra for Samprasaranam?
Yajnana Samprasaranam.
No. Vachiswapi Ajadinam Iti. This is Samprasaranam. Yajnena Ije. Tatraha Kuru Panchalanam. Kuru means Kaurava Desha, Panchala Desha, Panchalanam. Brahmana Abhisameta Babu. Also many Brahmanas they gathered. Tasya Janakasya Vaidehasya Vijigyasa Babu. When he saw so many Brahmanas had come, objective was some yajna, but he had a question now. He desired to know, not question, desired to know. What? Kahasvid Esham Brahmananam Anuchanatama iti. Anuchanatama, Anuchanam means is given on that page on third number tippani. Anuchanaha pravachane vede sange adhiti iti. Anuchano vinite syad sanga veda vichakshane. Anuchana means आचार्य उच्चारण पूर्वक उच्चारण. Anu uchana. And pravachana means Veda. See here in bracket they have given. Pravachane means Vede. A study of Veda, the one who has done along with the 6 branches of Vedas. Means 6 anga. What are these 6 angas? Shiksha Kalpa,
कल्प व्याकरण निरुक्त ज्योतिष छंदः
क्रम भंग ಇದೆ. हाँ, शिक्षा कल्प व्याकरणम निरुक्तम छंदो ज्योतिषम. This is how the mantra is in Mundaka. So the one who has studied all of that is called Anuchana, and he continues to teach Vedas. So who is the best among all of them? So here it is not necessarily only Brahmajnani. If you look at the word Anuchanatama, but it is both. He should know Veda as well as Vedanta, and he is Brahmanishta, everything. Iti Saha means they have to know all 6 branches of not only Vedanta. I mean, they have to know Vyakarana, they have to know Nyaya, they have to know everything. Iti Saha Gavang Sahasram Avarurodha. So what he did in his cow shed, so many cows were there, he said 1,000 you keep aside. And what he did, Dasha Dasha Pada Ekaikasya Shrungayor Abadha Babhu. Dasha Dasha Pada. In each cow's horns, Dasha Pada. Pada is a measurement of gold. In other words, each cow had 75 grams of gold. Each cow. Calculations you can do. 1 cow, 75 grams. 1,000 cows,
75 kilo.
75 kilo of gold. Forget kilo though. So 1 gram of gold right now is 10,000 rupees, let us say. 1 gram of gold is 10,000. 75 kilo only gold. Cow's price is different. That much, this is called Pushkalena Dhanena. And when he learns, he goes on giving cows. Maybe cows with gold. So he kept them aside, and on the cows, so much gold was kept. Shrungayoho Abadha Babu. See Bhashya and Tika. Janako Nama Hakila Samrat Raja Babuva. Videhanam Tatra Bhavo Vaideha. There was a king, Janako Nama, Samrat. Samrat, see in Tika, Rajasuya Abhishiktaha Sarvabhaumau Raja Samrat iti uchyate. The one who has been coronated through Rajasuya Yajna, Rajasuya Abhishiktaha Sarvabhauma, and he is the emperor of the entire region. It's called Sarvabhauma Raja. He's called Samrat. Raja Babhuva. Videhanam Tatra Bhavo Vaideha. And he was there in the kingdom of Videha. Videhanam Tatra Bhavo Va Vaideha. So it is also said he was Videha, means he was beyond the body identifications. And they used to say Janako Data, Janako Shrota. This was very popular, that he would give and he would listen to Shastras. Such a Bahudakshina Yajnena Shakhantara Prasiddho Va Bahudakshino Nama Yajnyo Ashwamedho Va Dakshina Bahulyat Bahudakshina Iha Uchyate Tena Ije Ayajat. So he performed this Yajna. Either there is a name of Yajna which is called Bahudakshina, or this Ashwamedha that they perform, and as part of that, lot of Dakshina was given. दक्षिण बाहुल्यात् बहुदक्षिण इह उच्यते तेन ईजे ईजे अयजत् टीका बहुदक्षिणेन यज्ञेन अयजत् इति संबंधः. दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू कनेक्ट. बहुदक्षिणेन यज्ञेन अयजत्. अश्वमेधे दक्षिणा बाहुल्यम अश्वमेध प्रकरणे स्थितम्. इन अश्वमेध दक्षिणा बाहुल्यम it is known that Ashwamedha you have to do lot of charity. अश्वमेध प्रकरणे स्थितम् निश्चितम्. ब्राह्मणा अभिसंगता बभूवुः इति संबंधः. So Brahmanas had gathered there. Abhisameta Babhuvu means Abhisangata Babhu. Who are all these? Kuru Panchalanam. So why you are referring to them only? Why others are also there? Kuru Panchalanam iti kuto visheshanam tatraha. In Bhashya, तत्र तस्मिन् यज्ञे निमंत्रिता दर्शन कामा वा कुरुणाम देशानाम पंचालानाम च ब्राह्मणाः तेषु हि विदुषाम बाहुल्यम प्रसिद्धम अभिसमेता अभिसंगता बभूवुः. So when a yajna is done, some are invited, nimantrita. What is the difference between nimantrana and amantrana?
One is invitation in general, and the other one is invitation in specific.
Nimantrana and amantrana, you can see the meaning of this. Nimantrana means
where they don't have choice to say no.
have to go.
Is
Amantrana is where option is there. Vikalpena, you go or not go. So like that's what they used to say when Duryodhana and Shakuni invited Yudhishthira for playing the game of dice. So he did not have choice. That is how they say it was invited in that way. So they had to go. So Vidhi, Nimantrana, Amantrana, what is the sutra? Ling. When Vidhi Ling is there, so Nimantrana, Amantrana, they are Veda. So some are invited. Some are darshana kama. They just want to see what is happening. You know, they want to see so many people come. Some are bhandara interested. They come only at the end. They say this discussion and all, I don't want. Nimantra darshana kama va. Kurunam, and it was very well known that Kuru and Panchala Desha has lot of wise people. Kurunam Deshanam Panchalanam cha Brahmanas teshu hi vidusham bahulyam prasiddham. So abhisameta abhisangata babhu. Tatra mahantam vidvat samudayam drishtva tasya kila janakasya vaidehasya yajmanasya konu khalu atra brahmishtha iti visheshena jnatum ichha vijignasa bahuva. So Janaka had great jignasa, who is the best among the knowers of Brahman here. टीका तत्र यज्ञशालायाम इति यावत् विजिज्ञासाम एव आकांक्षा पूर्विकाम व्युत्पादयति. Now that vijignasa with akanksha it is put. Katham kahasvid konu khalu esham brahmananam anuchanatamaha sarve ime anuchanaha. All are anuchanaha. Anuchanaha we saw already. So the knowers of Veda along with Anga. Veda Vedanga adhita. Ime anuchanaha. Kahasvid esham atishayana anuchana. But who is the best among all of them? Iti. Tika. Anuchanatvam anuvachana samarthatvam. Anuchanatvam means anuvachana samarthatvam. Pravachana samarthatvam iti yavat. What is the question? अनुचानत्वम अनुवचन समर्थत्वम। टीका। अनुवचन समर्थत्वम C5 नंबर टिप्पणी। प्रवचन समर्थत्वम, प्रवचन मीन्स एबिलिटी टू रिसाइट वेदास। अनुचानमानी, अनुचानमानी मीन्स ही थिंक्स आई नो। येषां मध्ये अतिशयेन अनुचानो अनुचानतमः सः कः स्यात् इति योजना। Among them, who is the superior most? कः स्यात् इति योजना, that is the question. In भाष्य, सः अनुचानतम विषयो उत्पन्न जिज्ञासः सन् तद्विज्ञानोपायार्थं गवां सहस्रं प्रथम वयसाम् अवरुरुध गोष्ठे अवरोधं कारयामास। सः अनुचानतम विषयोत्पन्न जिज्ञासः। How will you do samasa vigraha? First you do utpanna jignasa. That is an easy word. How will you do? Utpanna jignasa yasya saha उत्पन्न जिज्ञासः या जनकः। उत्पन्न जिज्ञासकः जनकः। नाउ अनुचानतम विषय, सो अनुचानतमः च तद विषयश्च। व्हाट इज द सब्जेक्ट मैटर ऑफ दिस जिज्ञासा? अनुचानतमत्वम। सो अनुचानतम विषयः तस्मिन् विषये उत्पन्ना जिज्ञासा यस्य। सो अनुचानतम विषये उत्पन्ना जिज्ञासा यस्य सह उत्पन्न जिज्ञासा। In other words, the subject matter of this desire to know is who is the best among the knowers. San tad vijnanopayartham, for the knowledge of that, what he did? Gavam sahasram prathama vayasam. What kind of cows? Which kind of cows? These are not.
Not pitodaka.
And you have to recite the Dugdha Doha Nirindriya. Such cows they were not. They were Pratham Vayasa, means new young cows, which all had long life to live. They could give lot of milk, they would give children, everything. Nirindriyaha. Nirindriyaha means they didn't have indriyas.
Old ones.
What is the meaning? Not old one. Don't use this kind of meaning. Prajanana asamartha. You heard what is given in Bhashya. Prajanana asamartha. So he stopped such cows and he said, let's put gold on all of them. Goshthe avarurodha. Avarurodha means avarodham karayamasa. Ekasya palasya. Acha, kim vishishtasta gavo avaruddha ityuchate. What is the special about these cows which are kept aside? See, ekasya palasya chatvaro bhagas. Tesham eko bhagah pada ityuchate. There is something called pala, measuring. 4 parts are there, each part is called pada. Chatvaro bhaga, tesham eka bhaga pada uchyate. in bhashya. Pala chaturtha bhagah padah suvarnasya. So that is, pala is 30 grams of gold. It is given somewhere. One number tippani you see. गुंजाः पंचाद्यमाश्रकस्ते षोडशाक्षः कर्षो अस्त्री फलम कर्ष चतुष्टयम्. त्रिफलम no further. How do they measure gold now? Tola, you see further in that. Palam tu laukikair manair sashtarakti dvimashakam tolaka tritayam. 3 tola. 1 tola is 10 gram. See? 3 tola sona is 1 pala. So 30 grams is 1 pala. Is Chaturda. Anyway, you don't worry too much about how much is gold and this and that. Understand, crores of rupees in current measurement, that much he had to give to a Brahmagyani who would answer all his questions. Yajnavalkya said, I am not going to answer any questions, I will take the house. दश दश पादा एकैकस्य गोहो शृंगयोर आबद्धा बभूः. Dasha dasha pada, but not in each horn 10 pada. 2 horns together is dash pada, like that. That is next line, it clarifies. See in tika, pratyekam shrungayor dasha dasha pada ha sambadhyeran iti shankam nirakartum vibhaj. Somebody says in each horn dash pada gold. No, pancha pada ekaikasmin shringe. Even if it was dasha dasha, Bhagavan Bhashya kya hai? How somebody will ask, how did he know that it was pancha only? Because the mantra says dasha pada ekaikasya. Means each ekaikasyaha shringayoho. Means dasha goes with ek cow, not with ek shringa. पंच पादा एकैकस्मिन् श्रृंगे. टीका एकैकस्मिन् श्रृंगे आबद्धा बभूः इति पूर्वेण संबंधः. So this much gold is there. See bhashya now. तान not भाषा मंत्र. तान होवाच ब्राह्मणा भगवन्तो यो वा ब्रह्मिष्ठः स एतागा उदजताम् इति. तेह ब्राह्मणा न ददृशु रथः याज्ञवल्क्यः स्वमेव ब्रह्मचारिणम् उवाच एताः सौम्य उदज सामश्रवा इति. ताः उदाचकार Udanchakara, it should be. What is in your reading? Udachakara? Udachakara. Udachakara, Teha Brahmanashchakrutuhu. कथम नो ब्रह्मिष्ठो ब्रुवीत इत्यथः जनकस्य वैदेहस्य होता अश्वलो बभूव सहैनं पप्रच्छ त्वन्नु खलु नो याज्ञवल्क्य ब्रह्मिष्ठोऽसि इति. सहोवाच नमो वयं ब्रह्मिष्ठाय कुर्मो गोकामा एव वयं स्म इति. तं तत एव प्रष्टुं दद्रे होता अश्वलः. Nice. Tan hovacha. Tan Brahmanan. All the Brahmanas who had gathered to them. ब्राह्मणा भगवन्तः, हे ब्राह्मणा, हे भगवंत, वर्शिपफुल वंस, यो वा ब्रह्मिष्ठः स एतागा उदजताम इति. The one who is brahmishta among you, you can take all these cows, 1,000 cows, loaded with gold. Not a single person dared to get up. Teha brahmana na dadrushu. You see, this is the good thing, you know. You don't know how much other person knows. You know how much you know. So you will not open your mouth in front of anyone. And if you have even slightest doubt that maybe this person knows more than me, so they didn't do anything. Na dadrushu. Yajnavalkya, he had no doubt. Swam eva brahmacharinam uvacha. He called his brahmachari. Eta somya udaja samashrava. Samashrava, take all these cows. Iti. You do all those brahmanas, they got so angry. Taha udachakara, teha brahmanas chakrudu. So he took all of them away. This brahmachari, Samashrava. You should name some brahmachari as Samashrava Chaitanya or Samashravananda. Samashrava Swarupa also could be there. They got angry. Teha brahmanas chakrudu. Katham no brahmishto. Bruvita, how do you claim yourself as brahmishta among all? Naha, katham naha brahmishto bruvita. Iti athaha janakasya vaidehasya hota. In Janaka's assembly, this hota Ashwala was there. He got up. Babuva, saha enam papracha. Tvannu khalu no yajnavalkya brahmishto asi iti. When this Pluta is there, brahmishtosi. Earlier Pluta is there, Samashrava. That is addressing, inviting. Here the Pluti is making fun of Yajnavalkya. You are a brahmishta in this way. Iti sahovacha. Yajnavalkya said, saha means Yajnavalkya. Namo vayam brahmisthaya. We offer salutations to Brahmajnani. Brahmisthaya namo namaha. Brahmisthaya namo kurmaha. Gokama eva vayam sma iti. We are interested only in cows. We are not wise people. Iti. Say this, just like that, you will not be allowed to take the cow. You will have to answer questions. Tamha tata eva prashtum dadre hota ashwala. So now this ashwala, who is a hota, udgata, adhvaryu, Brahma. 4 are there. Brahma is for Atharvana Veda. Hota, Udgata, Adhvaryu. Yajurveda, Samveda, Rig Veda. So he is Hota, Ashwala. He decided to ask questions. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sudrabhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.